Welcome to my comprehensive HTML course for absolute beginners. This course has 10 lessons that will take you from zero to HTML expert. Before we start, I would really love it if you guys could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to know when I upload new videos. It genuinely supports me and fuels the growth of coding fundamentals, which will let me keep producing great and free educational content for all you guys. Now, having said that, let's jump into lesson number 7. So the learning objectives of this lesson is to 1. Add an image successfully, 2. Understand the necessary attributes for images, 3. Move the image on the page, and 4. Add an image to the background of some element in the code. Great. So image is an empty element and it does not need a closing tag. So it will just be image as the start tag. However, the attributes of the source attributes and the alt attributes are necessary for images. So the source attribute gives you the image location and lets the browser know what image we're actually using. And the alt attribute gives a description if the picture is not visible for some reason, or doesn't load, or if the user uses a screen reader, for example. Okay, and other attributes we can also use for images to edit their size are the width and length attributes, and also you can also move the picture on the browser to the right, to the center, to the left using the float attribute. That way you can move the picture around. Okay, so let's add an image onto our code. Okay, so image, and that's the tag. As you can see, the text editor does not give an end tag because, as I said, it's an empty element. But we do need a source attribute, and that will be the picture I have saved in the folder, flowers. And we will also give it an alt attribute in case the picture doesn't load, and we'll say picture of pink flowers. Okay, so let's see what this looks like on the browser. Whoa, so as you can see, the image is huge, so that won't do. We need to reduce the size, so let's use the width attribute and let's make it 300 pixels. Okay, great. Now the picture is at a usable size. Okay. You know what? I really don't like the fact that it's on the left side. Why don't we make it go to the right side? Okay. So we'll use the float attribute. Okay. Float. Oh, sorry. You need to use the style attribute and then float. Style, float, and let's make it go to the right. Okay. Awesome. Okay, so let's see what happens to the browser. Okay, so as you can see, the image is now on the right side. Great. Okay, so now I've added a paragraph here and it's in magenta color. So there it is. Now let's make the image go behind this paragraph so it's sort of a background. So how would you do that? So you go on the paragraph element and style it, but because we already have style here, we don't need to do that again. So we can do background image URL, and then we can copy the source URL from here and put it inside. And now, and also let's make the text white so that it shows itself on top of the background. Okay, great. So now you can see we have the image of the flowers behind the text as a background. So that's how you would use images as a background, and this is how you would move them across the page and adjust their size using attributes like width. So that's it for this day's lesson. And yeah, let me know what your favorite technique from today's class is. Was it the floating? Was it the changing the size? Or was it using it as a background? Great. So, if you guys enjoyed lesson number 7, please remember to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos from this channel. You'll have my eternal gratitude if you do so, and I hope to see you in lesson number 8.